Have you ever wondered how successful businesses keep their finances in check? Understanding accounting and bookkeeping is essential for any business. These skills help you interpret financial statements and maintain accurate records. Let's break down the basics together. First, let's talk about accounting. Accounting is the process of recording financial transactions. It helps in creating financial statements, like balance sheets and income statements. These statements show how a business is doing financially. Next is bookkeeping, the daily recording of transactions. This includes sales, expenses, and payments. Good bookkeeping keeps your financial information accurate and up to date. Now, let's discuss the key financial statements. The balance sheet shows your assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. This statement reflects your company's financial position at a specific time. Then, there's the income statement. It summarizes revenues and expenses over a certain period. This shows your business's profitability. Now, you might ask, why are these important? These statements guide decision-making for future growth. To put this in perspective, consider a small bakery. The owner uses a balance sheet to see if they can invest in new ovens. With an income statement, they can assess whether to hire additional staff. This is how accounting and bookkeeping drive smart financial choices. In summary, understanding these fundamentals ensures your business operates smoothly. Mastering financial statements helps you make informed decisions. Maintaining accurate records through bookkeeping is essential. Ready to dive deeper into accounting and bookkeeping? Join a course to sharpen your skills and boost your confidence. Your financial success starts with knowledge. In the next video we will discuss about financing options and loan acquisition. Stay connected with us. Thank you.